Time for a little video review. We're going with the vertical, because that's the only way it fits on the steering wheel. It's 2019. I think I've had that before, but I'm going to review it again. Also, we've got the, ooh, that doesn't look very good. So I've got 3 things to review. First, I'm going to review the wings. I think they're new. Smells alright. I told them to give me whatever spice is, which appears to be their Nashville-Hot chicken. You can see it there. It is literally... Oh, you can see it. See right down there? You can see the pool of... Oh, sheesh. I'll probably be dead by the time I get to the second item, so let's give this a go. Crunchy. A little salty, a little sweet. Kind of tastes like beef top ramen. Oh, this is a flat. I thought this was a drumstick. Chicken's relatively juicy. As far as Nashville-Hot chicken goes, that wasn't hot. That's the seasoning. It's more sweet than anything. I'm gonna have one more. Try a drummy. Try a little drummy drumstick. Look at that. That is horrid. I mean, it's kind of a muted flavor, but I've definitely had worse wings, you know. I will say, I mean, for a breaded wing, it's pretty crunchy, which is astonishing considering what it's sitting in. So I'll do this. Chicken, give it a 6 out of 10. You know, like the chicken itself, pretty juicy, not a lot of meat, pretty small. The breading, pretty classic fast food fried chicken breading. Pretty crunchy, nice texture. Holds up. I'll give it a 7.5. You know, like in the world of wings. Sauce. This will definitely kill you. It's just gross. The flavor, I give it a 7, 6.5, 7. I mean, it's not unpleasant. There's not really a lot going on. Spice in it, like a 2, 1.5. Like now I get like a little peppery on the tip of my tongue, but nothing while I was eating it. Overall, I'm gonna give it like a 5.5, 6 in the world of wings. Definitely had a lot worse. Like I would choose that, like if that had like a good buffalo sauce on it, which they have, probably choose that over like the shitty like generic pizza wing. Not Little Caesars. I'd choose Little Caesars wings over that. It's alright though. Meh. Not great. So this is the fabled waffle chicken sandwich. Now, I will say, pretty meaty waffle. Big old chicken breast in there. Now it is Nashville-Hot, and I can't tell if it's just because the waffles absorbed all the juice. I mean, it has the seasoning on there, but it's not like wet like that was. So I'll give the waffles. That's what's coming out of the waffle. That's disgusting. So we'll give it a go-see, and I'm probably gonna pour some of that oil on this. See how that goes. Reeks of vanilla. Oh no! Look at that. Yeah, that's a ton of grease. Like, It's not terrible. Like I said, the waffle, not really waffly, you know. The vanilla's pretty overpowering. As you can see, it's so greasy. It's just like, it's compacting. The chicken, see if I can get a, oh fuck, very hot. Chicken's pretty good. Good chicken flavor. Fairly juicy for chicken breast. Good bread. But again, it's Nashville-Hot. Doesn't really have a lot of flavor to it. Pretty salty. Just do something that I know I'll regret and pour a little bit of this wing oil on there. Give that a taste. No difference at all. Like I said, it's generally flavorless. This as a whole, not unpleasant, but kind of conflicting flavors. Nothing really tastes like it's natural. So I'll say waffle. I'll grab a piece of waffle real quick. Not bad. So I'll say the waffle it's the right texture and structure for something like this. It holds together really well, but it's not a waffle, you know. It's kind of like a donut in a waffle shape. Vanilla's super overpowering. And it's basically just a grease sponge. I don't know how it got this much grease. Like I said, it might have absorbed all the shit from the chicken, but I don't know. Got a weird saltiness from that bite. I'm gonna give this one more bite and then I'm gonna put it away because I don't want to eat this. I'll probably die. Now, if you did like this, that is a fairly healthy sandwich. Like that's, well, not healthy, but it's a large sandwich. I don't know. Chicken itself, I'll give the chicken like a 7. Chicken itself, maybe even a 7.5. This is really fresh, pretty juicy, nice and tender, really pulls apart. The flavoring, I'm gonna knock it down to like a 4, maybe even a 3 for like Nashville-Hot style. Not great. The waffle, I like what they were going for, but if they pulled the vanilla out, maybe put a little maple flavor, be a lot better. Overall, for what they were trying to achieve, I'm gonna give them like a 5.5. Not great. I already feel terrible, and I've eaten half a sandwich and 2 wings. So I'm gonna go straight into this, which is arguably more fattening, which is their dessert biscuit. So it looks like a biscuit covered in some icing, some sort of cinnamon sugar butter concoction. Very large pieces of cinnamon in there. Weird. Oh. Pretty good. I mean, it's like, it's kind of your generic cinnamon roll experience. It's kind of like Little Caesars pull apart cinnamon bread. Just whatever bread they already have, drowned in some fake butter and cinnamon seasoning, and then some weird creamy, I don't know, sugar jizz. Not bad. I'll finish it, you know. Now, while I'm eating this, I'll review my overall experience. Now, every time I go to KFC, I pretty much hate most of what I get. Never had a good experience there. And I'm going to stick with that this time. Like, I mean, it really is kind of the same, you know. It's just, nothing's really what it should be. The chicken's not bad, but it's not great. Like, they just need to improve their sauces and stuff. As usual, even for the small amount of eating this time, I feel absolutely terrible inside, and I feel like I'm going to shit my pants. I also drank like 20 ounces of espresso on my way here. I think the worst part is I spent like $14 on this, and it's not even like I've just bought lunch, you know? It's like I just bought this stuff that I can't really eat it. It's not really human food. Yeah, so overall experience, give it like a 4. I would absolutely never choose this over Popeyes or Church's or anything even like that. Yeah, so that's that. That's my experience with the wings and the waffle sandwich from KFC, as well as the dessert biscuit. Don't do it. I'm going to go shit myself violently now. Have a good day.